Right-click on the layer and press on Convert to Smart Object. Select Object Selection tool from the toolbar, and make sure that you chose Lasso mode. Select your subject. Click on the layer, and press Ctrl-J on keyboard. Draw a rectangle top of the main layer, to be placed behind the subject. Press Ctrl-T and right-click on it. Choose Distort, and try to adjust the angles same as the wall. Right-click on the layer, and convert it to a smart object. Click on the icon and bring your image. Convert it to a smart object, and adjust the size same as the rectangle. Hold Alt and click between the two layers, to clip and mask the image into the rectangle. Change the blending mode to linear burn. Double-click on the layer and adjust the underlaying layer to the middle with holding Alt key. Here is the final result. Hope you enjoy it. Subscribe for more.